Okay, we found a squirrel in our bird feeder. And Annie, we're going to try to let it go here. Annie, get out of the way, Annie. Stop. We know Timmy's in the well. Okay, here, come on. Ready? Wait, okay. Girls, stay away. You ready? Stay back up. Back up. Yeah, we need to, Maddie. Ready? Well, the dogs won't get them, though. Molly, watch out. Okay, ready? It's okay. Jesus. Oh. Okay. Okay. Girls, go. Okay. Maddie, call the girl. They're mean. I know they can be mean.
Let me get my dog.
Molly, Jojo, go.
Molly.
Okay, ready? Ready? Okay, we'll watch. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Whoa, that was crazy. Well, he made out like a loot. Oh my goodness.
Well, he ate all of our corn.
He did. He ate all the kernels, didn't he? Sunflower seeds.